Hey, what's going on, everybody? Happy Father's Day to everybody. This video is going to be short. It's already sunset. I'm going to get a couple things done with the FBA shipment, maybe just get it all packaged up and ready to go. Maybe a little back end work, but it's going to be a short video. As I said yesterday, losing my voice. My mom had her surprise birthday party yesterday. I couldn't tell you guys because just in case she watched the video, then I would have gotten caught. So couldn't say anything about that, but gonna finish that up and then we will go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, so stickers are cut out. I got some cut out here, and then I also have over here, I had to rewrap these RX medicine bottles because the labels were coming off. I don't know what's going on here. And so I tried to do the best I can. I tried to fix this, got that done. Those are done. I'll be shipping them out tomorrow. I just shipped out a TikTok order. Sorry, it was a short video. Like I said, this is even shorter than the day before because it's late. I came home late for my dad's for Father's Day. And so I hope you understand. Tomorrow will be a big day. It'll be a lot busier. So I will see you all tomorrow. Let's go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made yesterday. All right, so starting with eBay, we made $16.95, so less than actually today. We made $397 yesterday on Amazon, which was our lowest day on Amazon this month. And so we've made a total of $414, which I think is our lowest day. Yep, it is. So we are at $9,996. But we're gonna get there. We're gonna get to 30K. I got a couple things up my sleeve. Obviously, you all know if you watch my videos. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. I will talk to you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night. Peace out.